Activation energy. By the end of the session, you must be able to 1. Define activation energy. 2. Define an activated complex. 3. Define a catalyst. 4. Draw or interpret fully labeled sketch graph, that is potential energy against cost of reaction graph, of a catalyzed and uncatalyzed endothermic and exothermic reactions. During a chemical reaction, old bonds, that is bonds between the reactants, are broken and new bonds, that is bonds in the products, are formed. Breaking bonds requires energy, while forming bonds release energy. Between the breaking of bonds of the reactants and the formation of bonds of the product, an activation complex is formed. An activation complex is defined as a high energy, unstable, temporary transitional state between the reactants and the products. And an activation energy is defined as the minimum energy required to form an activation complex. A catalyst is a substance that increases the rate of the reaction but remain unchanged at the end of the reaction. That is, the amount of a catalyst is the same at the start of the reaction and at the end of the reaction. The catalyst lowers the activation energy. That is, making more reactants per unit time to collide more effectively, thus increasing the reaction rate.